In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete a playlist on Spotify. Before we get into the video, subscribe to our channel. Along with that, also press the bell icon so you get notified for more videos. Head over to the app of Spotify. After you land on the app, you'll need to tap on your library, where you can see all of the playlists that you've created. Now all you need to do is tap and select the playlist that you want to delete, and then tap on the three dots on the top, and there on the third you see an option of delete playlist. You can tap on that and tap on delete, and as soon as you do that, you can see that your playlist will be deleted. You can similarly do the same for all of your playlists. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with other people. That's gonna be all for today's video. Keep watching.